everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Today I'm going to be creating this Christmas centerpiece, and I'll be doing 2 DIYs to create this really pretty centerpiece. So if you want to see how I put this together, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Before that we get started, I'll be showing you the items that I'll be using for this centerpiece. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using my glue gun, some E6000, 2 LED candles, two glass vases, 4 candle stands, and these were new at my Dollar Tree, 1 pack of wire LED lights, and also known as fairy lights, 4 LED lighted up Christmas trees, and these are just for decorations, a couple of these snowflake ornaments, a decorative Christmas tree with tinsel. I'll only be using the frame, a Christmas ornament, and some Christmas ornaments in the small, medium, and large sizes. Okay, so I'll be starting off with the candle stands. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the sticker off the bottom of the candle stands. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is super glue the top sides of both candle stands together just like this. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding some E6000 all around the edge of the candle holder. The majority of the time I do use super glue, but for this particular project I do want these candle holders to have a permanent hold, so that's why I'll be using the E6000. Okay, so now I'm ready to join both candle holders together just like this, and now I have one taller stand for my vase. I did have a little bit of glue that seeped out, so I'm just cleaning it just with a wet paper towel. I'll be placing my vase just like this on top of the stand, but first I'm going to add some E6000 to the base of the stand. Next, I'm ready now to place the vase over the stand. I'm going to create another candle stand, and then once I'm done with the second one, I am going to let them sit out and dry for 24 hours, and then I'll continue with this project. Okay, so the glue has already dried on my candle stands, and this is how they turned out. They turned out so pretty. I'm in love with them. They look so very elegant. And mind you, these are Dollar Tree items. Okay, so next I'll be using 2 of these snowflakes, 1 for each of the vase. And what I did next is just drop the snowflake inside the vase and then the candle right behind it. I did have to use my scissors to position the snowflake. And here are both candle stands, and this is how they turned out. Okay, for the Christmas tree, I removed all the tinsel off the Christmas tree that it originally came with, and I just stayed with the skeleton of the Christmas tree. For this project, I'm going to be using 3 different sizes of Christmas ornaments. I'm going to use the large, the medium, and the small, and I'll also be using the silver and the red colored ones. The bottom ring of the Christmas tree has those little pieces of plastic, and I'm going to take my scissors and just remove them. Starting at the base of the frame of the Christmas tree, I'm going to start adding the larger Christmas ornaments, and I'm just going to alternate the silver with the red, and then I'm just going to go around until I fill the bottom layer, and then I'll do the second layer and I'll do the same thing. This is what the first layer looks like, and I just wanted you to see it up close. I'm going to continue with the same pattern just like this, just stacking the ornaments one by one until I get to the middle section, and I'll start off with the medium-sized ornament. Here I'm starting the medium-sized ornaments. And here I started with the small ornaments. I do want to mention that with this project, it does take a little bit of just maneuvering your Christmas ornaments so that they will sit just right. So if you decide to do this project, you will have a little bit of gaps here and there, and you're just gonna have to work with your ornaments. I only wanted to use the ornaments that Dollar Tree had, but if you can find even smaller ones for the gaps, that would even be better. If I had had even smaller ornaments for the top, it would have worked out better, but I just worked with what I had. I did have some open gaps here and there, so I used the small ornaments to cover up those gaps. Next, it was time to add the wire LED lights around the tree, and I did hide the box underneath the tree. I did have a little trouble with the lights. Even though they do have a wire, they didn't want to cling to the ornaments, and I didn't want to hot glue them because in case I needed to use them again. I did only use one pack, but if you decide to do this project, you can always add more than one. It will make your Christmas tree look a lot brighter and prettier because lights always make everything look so pretty. And then finally, I placed the ornament up at the top of the Christmas tree, and this is how it turned out. Well, here is my Christmas centerpiece, and I think it turned out really elegant and very festive, I must say. Now, those little flashing Christmas trees, I purchased them at Dollar Tree. I think they were new because I had not seen them, but they look really pretty and very festive. Those silver candle holders are absolutely gorgeous. I saw these at Dollar Tree and I could not believe that they had them there for $1. So if you're wanting something that's very pretty and elegant looking, I suggest that you go to Dollar Tree and go and find them and snatch them up. If you're wondering about that mirror base that they are sitting on, this is something that I DIY'd a while back. I'll go ahead and link that video up above in case that you're interested as to how I created this mirror base. Well, beauties, that is it for this Dollar Tree Christmas centerpiece. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you on my next video. So until then, bye-bye and God bless.